ठीक है।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been very long since I've done a vlog on the YouTube, and after taking this long break, finally I'm back. And this time I am on my Himalayan 450 on a ride to Gandikota in Andhra Pradesh. It's been a ride we have been planning from long time, and I am accompanied with two of my buddies. So for those who haven't heard about Gandikota, Gandikota is located in Andhra Pradesh, and it's very popularly known as the Grand Canyon of India. It's famous for its massive gorge formed by the Pennar River, and from the pictures and videos I've seen so far, the view looks absolutely incredible. But today we are going to experience it ourselves. Well, this is just not a ride to Gandikota though. We have planned this as a proper 2 day bike trip. Along the way, we are going to explore some other incredible places like the Belam Cave, Yaganti Temple, and the Oak Reservoir. The plan is to cover all these places, reach Gandikota, stay there for a night, and then ride back to Bangalore tomorrow. Let's see how things go. If in case we are not able to meet the timelines, then we may probably be skipping a couple of these places. It is going to be a long ride, around 300 odd kilometers from Bangalore.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light.
Oi, 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 no indicator, nothing, idiot. He's on the phone. Crazy. This is one major problem on our Indian roads. No matter how safe and careful you ride, but because of idiots like this, you get into major mess. Crazy. So my friend who's now overtaking me, well, he's Bopanna. We are friends for almost 2 decades now. He's a new consumer of the Himalayan 450. This is his first major long ride, and he's excited. So let's see how things turn up. And on my left, you can see on my rear view mirror, I think he will overtake me now. So this guy, he is Syed, and we are also been friends for almost 2 decades. In fact, three of us been friends for almost 2 decades. So it's a Friday morning. We started early. We started around 6 in the morning, and the reason being we've chosen the weekday just to avoid the traffic what we would experience over the weekend. So decided to start on a Friday and return by Saturday. Still, we have a busy road today. There are a lot of trucks which are moving, and being a weekday, there is a lot of traffic. Probably the ones who are heading to their work. Look at these guys. Come on, give me some way, please. Come on. I love this Bangalore Hyderabad stretch. Awesome roads, awesome roads. I mean, uh, I'm sure every rider who lives in Bangalore would have come on this. So as I've told you, the plan is to first hit to Belam Cave. So we have actually set the destination to Belam Cave, and after spending some time there, we would be heading to Oak Reservoir, and then to Yaganti Temple. So that's the plan. And once we complete these two locations, then we would be heading back to Gandikota. So we have booked our stay in Gandikota, and it's a package which we have taken. So per person 1,800 rupees for bed, breakfast, and dinner.
Fire went out Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Almost time for the first break. We've been riding continuously for over an hour now, and generally, when I'm riding, the breaks are every 100 kilometers. So it's time for us to stop and get some break. मुझे लग रहा है इसका मुझे विंडशील्ड का कुछ करना पड़ेगा. विंड ब्लास्ट बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है. Ready to roll. Okay, I think we have taken the first quick break. I have not done any mods on my bike, and I think I definitely need to look at extending my windshield on these long rides. I mean, although I have clocked 5 kilometers on the bike, but still, I think I need to focus on that because on high speeds with strong wind, it makes a lot of trouble and causes a lot of fatigue. So definitely I think that's one piece or one accessory which I would definitely want to upgrade on this bike. Otherwise the Himalayan 450, oh my god, it's a perfect combination of fun, excitement and adventure. I just love this bike. And before this I was riding the Desert Storm, the Royal Enfield 500. That was a completely different machine, but this one, it is built for speed, adventure and great experience. So it's almost over 12 months since I've been riding the Himalayan, but yeah, I've not done a lot of long rides. Before this, the only long ride I have done was to Valpare and Adirapalli Falls in Kerala, which was about 1400 kilometers. It's very windy today. Already I've had experience where I've been drifted towards the left pillar or towards the divider. I mean, it's very windy, and I think I'll have to reduce the speed. Scary experience. Okay, break number 2. We have stopped for some tea and some refreshment now.
बॉक्स इज़ यूज़फुल एक्चुअली, बट मुझे लग रहा है शायद ये विंड में है ना, बॉक्स के कारण भी थोड़ा सा.
नहीं, मेरा बॉक्स नहीं है, फ्रंट से आता है ना, क्रॉस आता है ना.
क्रॉस में वो भी इधर साइड मार रहा है, पता है.
मैं तो तुझे गाड़ी देख रहा हूँ, मैं टाइम लगते ऐसे हो रहा.
Now we have taken a diversion from the Hyderabad highway, and now we are on the Anandpur ring road. Absolutely amazing highway. I mean, the roads are so good, and this is the kind of road all the bikers would love to ride on. It's very smooth, very well maintained, and the most important thing is that this road is almost straight. Going good, and I mean, this road is actually tempting us for a speed check, but yeah, you have to be safe while you're on the road. Otherwise, I mean, this is like absolutely beautiful road. Okay, now we are off the highway, and I think we have reached a town. I'm not sure which town is this, but this is crowded. Typical town, and I'm still trying to figure out which is this place. But I'm sure this is some place in Anandpur district. The boards written on the shops are also in Telugu, and Telugu is one language which I'm still trying to acquire and start learning. Just trying. I don't see any board where in English they have mentioned the name of this town. Is it mentioned this is a medical store? No. Okay, so this is Tadipatri, and this is a town in Anandpur district. So I think after we cross this place, we should be again joining the highway, but this place is crowded. Mid time, I think it's around 12:45 p.m. All right, so we have just crossed Tadipatri, and now we are heading towards the Belem Cave. One thing you would immediately notice on this stretch is there are a lot of marble everywhere. I'm not sure if these are marbles or slabs, but on both the side of the road you can see many of the slab shops, huge pieces of marble and stone stacked up everywhere. And even on the roadside, you may be seeing a lot of broken slabs and leftover stone pieces just lying around. I'm guessing this entire region has a plenty of big stone and marble industry, because there are small shops everywhere. Looks like slabs. Well, it's actually quite interesting when you are riding through places like this. You start noticing how every town has its own identity, and clearly around Tadipatri, this is a huge part of their local business, I suppose. The roads are extremely good, pretty decent right now, and we are slowly making our way towards the Belem Cave. Let's keep riding and see what else we find on our way. Okay, so finally we are entering into Belem Caves. So this is the main entrance, and there are no tickets here. Looks good, looks open, looks very plain. Where are the caves? My expectation is that I should be seeing a mountain or a big rock, and beneath that should be the cave, but this place looks very much like a plain land. Let's go ahead and see what's waiting for us. So we have reached the parking. Not very crowded. I suppose it's being a weekday. We are not seeing much crowd. Not many tourists either.
चॉकलेट कुछ मिला तो चलेगा लगता है।
Chocolate.
तो नहीं हंगर पैंतरी हो गया भैया।
नहीं क्या गले क्या बिना हंगर तुम अभी देखेगा पूरा केव।
मुझे ये है कि केव बोल के, केव तो दिखने अंडरग्राउंड में है क्या?
ये बड़ा ऊपर है।
इधर देख सकते हो कहाँ empty place. What I see, they have a fish spa here. करेगा फिश स्पा। हंगर only chips, ice cream. ಊಟ
रेस्टोरेंट हरिता एंट्रेंस
एंड
इधर तो जूस कुछ लेना है।
क्या रहेगा?
ऑरेंज का
वो यही लोग हैं।
सोडा।
ये जर्सी करके देते जर्सी दूध का कुछ होगा बादाम दूध थोड़ा कुछ नहीं
गोदरेज।
हाँ गोदरेज का जर्सी
पी के देख कैसा है? फिर मैं
अच्छा
order
रहेगा
लाइक स्टैंडर्ड ऐसा तो अच्छा है। नहीं इट्स ऑल आई थिंक शायद फॉर्मूला होता है।
अच्छा तो है प्याज भुजाते हुए भी कुछ
देख मैं उसको ठीक से पूछ रहा था काफी भेजा
तुझे कन्नड़ा तेलुगु आता है क्या?
तेलुगु अच्छी
मैंने वो चाय की दुकान में उसको कन्नड़ा में पूछ दिया, मूर टी कड़ी करके, नहीं है बोल दिया।
हाँ नहीं है बोला उसने
लास्ट में दूसरा बंदा हिंदी में बात करके सर क्या चाहिए, मैंने बोला चाय चाहिए, उसको जाके बोल रहा मास्टर 3 चाय।
हाँ जल्दी और प्याज लगता है वे रिकॉर्ड कर दिए क्या अंदर ले
कभी तुझे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है क्या? हाँ?
क्या क्या गंदा बात करते हैं जतिन
अबे मैंने पूछा कि हम जहाँ खड़े हैं इसके नीचे केव है क्या? आई थिंक सोफी ये सब ऑक्सीजन के लिए रखा है शायद। Dude, I think this is kept for oxygen. मैंने ऐसा चीज कभी नहीं देखा। ये देख।
जाके थोड़ा
अबे ये जो चीज है ये
ये वाला हाँ
1 2 देख उधर भी है।
हाँ ये सब केक के ऊपर ही खड़ा है।
वो हो सकता है ना?
सर 3 टिकट
तो 90 रुपये।
फोन पे ना
हाँ फोन पे
Pets are not allowed. बहुत ही ड्राई जगह है। पब्लिक के लिए शायद।
So we are entering into Belem Cave now. It is actually an incredible natural phenomena. To be frank, it's the second longest cave system open to tourists in India. It's around 3.2 kilometers of unexplored underground passages. The only few part of it are actually accessible to visitors.
लेट आया तो थोड़ा
ओए वाह सही है बे। केयरफुल। जूते में मुश्किल हो रहा है उतरने में। जूते में। ओ वाह नाइस। इतना मस्त होगा नहीं सोचा।
पूरा ये अंदर आते चेंज ही हो गया
साइलेंस देख। वो पढ़ना आ जा बे केव में। मेटा सेट कर रहा है, घर पे ही कर रहा चाहिए था।
वो यही कड़पा है वे कड़पा का
हाँ, ये देखना
सारा मार्बल है
लाइमस्टोन ना।
मार्बल टू नहीं तो लगा के ना
वाह नाइस।
नीचे जो है वही ऊपर भी है
ये बहुत नीचे नीचे को है बे।
वो थोड़ा घूम जाएगा
वाह नाइस। cave is natural and millions of year old, known to the local villagers for age. First recorded by Robert Bruce in 1884. Explored and charted by H.T. Weber, German. Oh, the year we were born, that year it was declared as a natural heritage. Taken over by Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation.
So what can we see on the left? Sights to see and admire.
मेडिटेशन रूम है इसके अंदर, 1000 हूट्स, मंटपम, banyan tree, माया मंदिर, पाताल गंगा, stall catcher and stalagmites in the chambers, pit hole in the ceiling, lines and fractures in the passage.
अच्छा वो सीसीटीवी डाला है, वरना इधर तो कपल रूम हो जाता है.
Oh yeah, they have a CCTV.
नहीं वैसे तो उसका
नाइस.
इधर है बहुत सारा पास.
बैट्स ना, हाँ भाई ये देख,
मत कर बे, मत कर.
बैटमैन
मरा हुआ बैठे क्या हो?
जिंदा ही हो, सो रहा है वो, दिन में सोता है बैट, रात को
सारा एकदम के सर पे मारेगा.
क्रेजी ना.
This is incredible. So we have just entered, and I can see there are long, narrow passages, huge chambers,
कैसे लटका है?
and it seems that thousands of years back, this cave was formed by the flow of underground water through limestone.
ये उड़ के गया. थोड़ा ऑक्सीजन का कमी लग रहा है ना. पापा को इधर से आना है क्या? Oh my God, it's too deep. मेटा बॉय उसका नाम. रिकॉर्ड होगा ना, रिकॉर्ड होगा. नहीं यार, नेचुरली कितना खतरनाक है ये. वाह.
ये तो थाईलैंड वाला है.
See, this is told to be the seabed.
ये क्या?
Hmm.
लग रहा है देखो water
So
से ही होता है.
billions of years back, this was the floor of the sea.
सिंहावरम.
So naturally, water से ही ये cave बना है. I think they should put more lights. Little dark.
वो क्या है? पानी का सोर्स है क्या?
90 रुपीज. पत्ती रेड्डी हॉल भी है क्या?
So after the long ride through the hot, dry landscape of Andhra Pradesh, now suddenly we go deep underground into this massive natural cave system. Still, it is quite warm and humid inside despite being underground because of the riding jackets and gears we are all wearing. Also, it seems that this cave were well known locally for very, very long time.
ये इधर और भी है भाई अंदर को. ओ माय गॉड, स्कैरी तो है ये.
छोटा हो रहा है क्या?
नो डूड, इट्स वेरी डीप यार, ये बहुत है, ज़्यादा है. कांट बिलीव कि 400 बिलियन ईयर्स ओल्ड.
स्ट्रेट जाएगा, राइट जाएगा.
वो उधर सब ये है बैट्स,
इधर है बे.
उधर बैट्स है.
इधर से वही नहीं इधर.
बैठ के लंच कर.
देख उड़ रहा है.
मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. साला मेरा भाई उधर नहीं, मैं इधर है.
इधर कुछ है नहीं, बट नीचे लाइट और क्या है बाहर का लाइट जाएगा.
भाई तुम वेरी डीप.
इधर इधर को है, इन इधर लिखा हुआ है या वो इधर से वापस आ जाएगा, क्योंकि लोग सब वापस जाना तो देखा ना। That's the end, is it? That's the end.
हाँ
It's still there?
another half kilometer.
Oh. इतना ट्रैकिंग करना है क्या?
आराम ही है उतना
ये हमारा
टफ तो
थोड़ा-
नहीं है।
ये सब भारी है थोड़ा।
हाँ तो एक्चुअली आपका जैकेट गर्मी से
आप लोग उधर से अंदर आए कि वो इंड है क्या?
नहीं
वो यू
ऐसे
ऐसे ही है क्या?
आने के टाइम पे लोग बाहर जा रहे थे ना।
बाप रे कितना डीप आ गए ना हम लोग. At least we would have
अभी
come.
इतना सब नहीं है, चल रहे।
Dude, we would have come at least 50 feet down.
वेरी श्योर उतना नहीं होगा।
50 feet.
नहीं है। बट इट्स नाइस, वो बच्चे को लेके सब आया है ना इधर।
हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पे ओनली जंप करते रहे.
हाँ चल।
It's very deep. I think we are going deeper and deeper.
क्या गंदा आदमी है, पता नहीं। तूने बोला तेरा शब्द है। मुझे लगता है कि जैकेट खोलना चाहिए।
I think चलते हैं वापस.
क्यों बे?
कितना नीचे जाएगा बे?
Dude, अगर
और फिर गर्मी बहुत है बे.
इधर कुछ ऐसा कुछ रहने थोड़ा सैंड ये लेके आया हो
क्या?
मिरिंडा तेरे लिए। they had any problem with that, ये लोग अंदर आने नहीं देते।
नहीं, ऑक्सीजन के लिए उन्होंने ये तो रखा है.
क्या रहता है?
देखा नहीं, मैंने दिखाया था ना. Now we are getting deeper and deeper.
बट स्पूकी तो है।
हाँ, अकेले तो नहीं आ पाओगे.
अकेला सब थोड़ा अब आ सकता है अगर more, but see there should be some people also, right?
Come on, let's return.
एक ये सुना देखो, एक सफोकेटिंग बात मैं बताता हूँ।
गिर गया तो क्या होगा करके?
पानी है
हम्म.
इसमें स्काई क्या डाइविंग करते हैं ना लोग।
अभी जो रिसेंट एक्सीडेंट हुआ था ना, दैट वाज समथिंग सेम.
सोच के देख, इधर पूरा पानी है तो उसके अंदर आ रहा है वापस पूरा। एक्चुअली वापस जाने के टाइम पे क्या हो जाता है टाइम,
They get lost. Panic.
बेसिकली स्टार्टिंग लीड में जो रहता है ना वो खो गया ना, तो उसके पीछे जो बंदे लोग हैं वो भी खो जाता है। तो लास्ट में जो बंदा है ना, दैट्स ओनली वन डे क्या।
Wow, that was quite an experience from outside. You really don't expect Belem Cave to be this massive. Once you are inside, the passage just keeps going deeper and deeper. And in some places, it gets really narrow and humid. It's amazing to think that all of this was naturally formed over thousands of years back.
I think smell आ रहा है ना, मुझे थोड़ा सफोकेटिंग लग रहा है.
कुछ फ्यूम्स भी रहेगा भाई।
वीकेंड में ना एक्चुअली लोग जब रहते हैं ना तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा, पूरा चला जाएगा।
नो बट लोग है ज्यादा है तभी प्रॉब्लम है। इधर जो ऑक्सीजन खा लेंगे ना हमारा। नहीं हाइबरनेशन के लिए आए। ओ
क्या उधर भी है क्या?
खाता ना अबे, कहीं तो कहीं और है।
जा रहा है
हाँ हाँ
देखा?
दूर तक है।
Oh my God. I think they've closed it.
हाँ
Probably ऑक्सीजन इश्यू होगा उधर.
मुझे एक वीडियो है ना जहाँ पे बहुत पतला उधर
एक शो था भाई, जो क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक है ना, हम लोग जहाँ से वापस आए ना, वो देख के लोग हम नहीं हो रहा है करके वापस आ जाएंगे।
टायर्ड, पूरी तरह टायर्ड ना, बुरी तरह गर्मी लग रहा है. जैकेट.
So even for the kids, I think we should start.
चलो.
कनेक्टिंग पे आ रहे थे, तो पेयरिंग पे आ रहा है, अभी शायद से हो गया। अभी तो
वापस जाके आएगा, जाके वीडियो लेके बैठ।
मेटा इज रिकॉर्डिंग.
ऐसा करना है कि है बेटा रिकॉर्ड मैडम
It's not recording. So click कर. It's not recording now. I think when it's recording, वो light
Can't
blink
help
हो
with
रहा है.
that करके बोला इसने.
Is it? Because I think there is a network connectivity issue.
I'm learning more every day. The 3 items.
I think Meta का तू एक best use case.
Okay, so we are finally done exploring the Balam caves, and I must say this place is truly a natural marvel. We actually ended up spending much more time than we expected, and it's already 3 p.m. We haven't even had our lunch yet, and honestly, all of us are starving right now.
जलेबी बनाने आ गया क्या? मतलब बट इधर कैसे पहुंच गया पूरी दुनिया?
अभी तो नहीं, अभी जाएंगे गाँव।
आता है तेलुगु?
थोड़ा बहुत आता है।
कितना टाइम हो गया आपको इधर?
5 महीना।
5 महीना निकले क्या? देखो कुत्ता जलेबी दे गया आपको।
कुत्ते के लिए ही है।
कुत्ते के लिए है क्या?
So while we were hunting for food, we had to take a pit stop due to the rain. Well, Bopana forgot to get his rain liner, so we had to stop, and we had to take a 10 minutes break. Now we're again back on the road and looking for a place to have some food. Still we have not been able to find a place where we can have a decent food.
आँख में कुछ चला गया था।
हाँ उधर हाथ से निकालो।
नहीं आ रहा है।
ग्लव्स निकाल के निकाल दो हाथ से ऐसे 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 कर इसका पकड़ है उधर है ग्लव्स से मत निकाल हाथ से
फैन डाल रहे.
कीड़ा है
दो कर दो.
कोल्ड कॉफी क्या? लेमन सोडा।
कोल्ड कॉफी नहीं है
लेमन सोडा।
Mocktails. Lemonade, blue collar.
लेमनेड हाँ लेमनेड मॉकटेल
आई विल हैव लेमन।
तुझे लेमनेड मॉकटेल
कोक है उनकी।
कोक है 1 कोक 2 लेमनेड मॉकटेल
खाना लेट हो गया ना बहुत।
So after long wait, finally we had our lunch. It was not the typical lunch, but we managed to get some food because by the time we reached the city or the restaurants, it was already past 4 p.m. and kitchens were closed, so we had to manage with some fast food. But it's okay, at least we are full. Now heading straight to our stay in Gandikota.
Ooh, look at this boy.
So this is our stay right opposite to the Gandikota Grand Canyon, and it's called Balaji Homestay. Decent room. Now we are heading to have some sightseeing.
Name?
Simba.
Oh my God.
Same name.
Simba. I have a Simba at home.
Labrador here.
Just a different breed. Simba.
Okay, so this is Gandikota, popularly known as the Grand Canyon of India. What you're seeing right in front of me is the massive gorge.
Hello, day 2. So today we are heading to the Gandikota fort and the biker boys are ready.
Peace out.
Drizzle हो रहा सुबह सुबह. Drizzling.
Okay, so we have checked out and now we are heading towards the Gandikota fort. Right in front of me is the fort, not very far from our stay. By walk, it was around 600 meters, but we have decided to check out park the bikes near the fort entrance and see around and leave from there. We would also be skipping the dam, which was earlier planned, and from here we would be heading straight back to Bangalore.
गनी पे
दरुगा करके बोला थोड़ा मेटा पहनते इसका एक्सीडेंट आ गया
अबे ये इट इज
लगता है कि इधर
मुगल लोगों का लग रहा है मैं देख के
गुम्बद
कैन यू आस्क मेटा अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द फोर्ट क्या बे मेटा तू और तेरा बेटा
उधर लिखा है आ जाओ पता चलेगा बट पेड़ पे क्यों दरगाह बनाया दरगाह बनाते नहीं ना ऐसे
यू शुड शेयर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं बनाते पेड़ पे
जनरली ऐसे पेड़ वेड़ पे नहीं बनाते दरगाह होता है किसी का जिसको पेमेंट करके रखते हैं उधर
वो दरगाह ही है क्या
द प्लेस फ्रॉम तेलुगु वर्ड गंदी गंदी which means God. कापा महाराष्ट्र 12th सेंचुरी ओह कितना है तो अभी 21st है ना तो ये 800 साल पुराना है क्या ओहो हो
देखो लव बर्ड डार्लिंग 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 बन्नी हनी राघव एंड भव्या वाओ लुक एट द डोर लुक एट द डोर ए बाइक भी अंदर आ सकते हैं people responsible to preserve the heritage itself are misusing it. बाइक अंदर लेके आ रहा हूँ
कुंडी लगाते ना कुंडी
ये आएगा रील में सॉरी ब्लॉग में ए टेम्पल टेम्पल
साईं बाबा ने
हनुमान
हनुमान फोर्ट के ऊपर नहीं जा सकते हैं
renovation is in progress. I think यहाँ पे वहाँ पे भी देखा है most of the place renovation is in progress. है ना इधर बेंगलुरु रेलवे
फोर्ट नहीं चला
खत्म हो गया क्या फोर्ट
8 किलोमीटर निकलना है
8 किलोमीटर गांव के अंदर है
गाड़ी अंदर
वही तो पैसेज यूज कर रहे थे ओ खत्म क्या फोर्ट ऊपर जाने का रास्ता है बोल नहीं रहा आई थिंक विल ओनली गेट अ व्यू ऑफ द रिवर
दतूरा
What Datura?
दतूरा हाँ वो दे बट हम लोग जाएंगे
Okay, so now we're heading back to Bangalore. We are done with the fort. I mean, not too much to see around. You should be able to finish the entire fort in good 15 to 20 minutes. It is still under renovation. So the important update what I have to share is most of the places in Gandikota, it's now being restored by the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Department, and you could see that there's a lot of work happening. and I'm sure in a year or two, this place is gonna get uh, more famous among the tourists. And the best part about this journey was the roads. Since the time we started from Bangalore, so far we have got very good, amazing roads, especially stretch. We really loved riding on this road. The only problem or the challenge we had was crosswind expected in this time of the year, but otherwise amazing road, and I'm sure all the bike riders would love to ride on this stretch. Okay, what a surprise. I think I praised the roads a little too much on this trip. All the way to Gandikota, I kept harping about how beautiful the roads were, smooth roads, amazing roads, and perfect roads. But now on the way back, things have changed, and life has decided to be humble with me. The direct road from Gandikota towards Bangalore looks like under construction, and we are suddenly being pushed from beautiful highway straight into proper off-road territory. While coming, we took the route through Balam Cave, so we completely missed this stretch. But today there is no escape. Dust, gravel, broken roads, everything is being pushed on us. Anyway, I guess this is what a bike trip is all about. You enjoy the smooth roads when you get them, and when the roads are literally not there, you just keep riding. Let's see how long this kind of an off-road experience would be coming our way. Still bad road. I mean, almost every half a kilometer we are going into bad roads. This entire stretch is under construction, and hence we have to go through these patches every now and then. Oops, I think something happened at the back. I think Boparna dropped his top box from the bike. Yes, he dropped. Yeah. I had a fall. Come on. ठीक है, टर्न करते टाइम ना स्लिप हो गया. थैंक यू. नहीं, टर्न कर रहा मैं, वो उसका गिरा ना तो मैं टर्न कर रहा.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి?
బెంగళూరు.
బెంగళూరు ఎక్కడికి?
బెంగళూరు.
బెంగళూరుకి వెళ్తారా? ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు?
గండికోట.
గండికోట పోయారా?
కదా एक्चुअली उसका बॉक्स गिर गया ना, मैं मुड़ते ना शायद पूरा टर्न नहीं आता हूँ मैं उधर पर. Bad road. तेरा बॉक्स गिर गया ना, तो मैं वापस मोड़ रहा था, तो मोड़ते टाइम वेट के कारण मेरा ये पैर स्लिप हो गया.
आगे जाके साइड करता है.
नहीं, आई एम गुड. बाइक है गुड.
मुझे भी देखना कैसा खुल गया था. अभी लॉक जाता ही है.
कैसे खुल गया वो? नीचे का लॉक ठीक पे लगाया था।
लगा लो
उधर अबे वो इट इज लाइक वो तो कार कहाँ से आ रहा है, बहुत ऊपर जाना है। Bad. My fault, completely my fault. I overlooked the basics. So actually, Bopana's top box slipped down, and I was just trying to take a turn to go back to him, but I was not focused about my turn. Ideally, on ADVs, you need to take long turns. This bike is very heavy, and I could not control the weight, and I slipped, and we had a fall. Luckily, nothing major happened, neither to the bike or me. We are good to start, and we'll continue the journey. Anyway, we'll just have a stop, and we'll see what exactly happened. I'm having slight pain on my leg. Let me check what exactly is wrong there. Everything seems all right. Minor scratches on the knuckle guard, likewise on the tank guard. Few scratches here. Okay. Yep, looks okay. Nothing major. Thank God, nothing major. Good to continue the ride. कैसे खुल गया ये?
सुबह जाने को समझ नहीं आ रहा। मैं एक्चुअली ऐसे ही था, अभी मैंने ऐसे किया। कैसा हो सकता है?
रुक
ये खुल गया, ये खुल गया।
मुझे लग रहा है लॉक खुल गया होगा। हाँ,
अबे ऐसा नहीं खुलना है ना।
लॉक कर एक बार।
दे देखो इधर देखा, ये अंदर नहीं बैठा।
अभी निकाल, अभी प्रेस कर।
कुछ हुआ क्या?
आई डोंट नो, मेरे को पैर एक बार देखना, पेन हो रहा है।
तू घुमाने के लिए क्यों आया था?
अबे मैं पीछे को आ रहा था।
इधर कब लगा क्या तूने? वो अभी गिरा क्या? पैर पे गिरा क्या भाई? हाँ क्या?
नहीं
रेड हुआ क्या?
आई एम गुड, आई थिंक आई एम गुड। कुछ नहीं, ठीक है।
तू वापस क्यों आने लगा?
मैं तुम लोगों के पास आ रहा था भाई, गिर गया। मुझे दिखा तेरा बॉक्स गिरते हुए, मैं तभी यू टर्न लिया ना। गलती क्या हुआ, यू टर्न लेते टाइम मेरा फोकस उधर को ही था। आई एम नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द बाइक।
ठीक है, गड्ढे में भी तो नहीं गिरा था, आराम से।
चलो, ऑल गुड ना?
ऑल गुड है, बट मुझे वही लग रहा है कि ये सब
नहीं भाई, मुझे लग रहा है लॉक ठीक पे फ्लिप हुआ होगा 100%। राइडिंग गेयर के कारण हाथ बच गया। दिस वाज नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग, दैट वाज रिकॉर्ड। वो पूरा रिकॉर्डेड है, गिरते टाइम
ऑल रिकॉर्डेड है
पूरा। So finally, after long wait, we have found the good roads again, and now we are heading back to Bangalore. So this ride, as I stated earlier, has been 100% adventurous. We got to ride on crazy good roads. We got to ride on absolutely bad roads, off-roading experience. We could get into those caves, amazing experience. Then I had a fall. Yes, my mistake, but thank God nothing major happened, and we are good to continue the journey. So it's been a learning and full of adventure. Do visit these places. These are very good for riders. In fact, you can even plan these locations with your family, but I would personally recommend these for all the bike riders, because the stretch of road is absolute fun, and you can definitely find stay near Gandikota. They have good camping options as well, so great experience. Until next ride, stay safe, and most importantly, guys, invest on good riding gears. As you can see in my fall, just because of my riding gears, I did not get much of a damage. So ride safe, take care. Until the next vlog, bye bye.
Sweet dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes.